Hi all, welcome to Bonic AI. So this is our BonicBot A1. It's an humanoid educational robot in which we can learn robotics and AI. Okay, so today I'm here to show you some of the features of the robot, and I'll be showing you how it's work. Okay, so you can see there are two modes, the manual mode and AI mode. Okay, so the first thing which I'll be going to show you is the manual mode. Okay, so in the manual mode you can see that we can control the movement of the robot like forward, backward, left and right. Okay, so these are the movements which we can control, and in the hands we have 2 degrees of freedom. Okay, and you can see that you can control the pitch and elbow. Okay, and the same way you can control the speed as well. Okay, and acceleration. Okay, so both speed and acceleration can be controlled. Okay, the same for this right hand as well. And in the head you can see that we can move the head like in the x-axis. Okay, the next thing which I'm going to show you is the sequencer code. Okay, the Y sequencer code is like if we train any model to it. Okay, so like handshake, wave or anything, we can train the robot in such a way that to perform a handshake or to perform a wave, it will be doing a particular sequence action. Okay, so in the sequencer code mode, okay, we can just give a name which is like wave, and if we start recording the steps, okay, we can go back to the manual mode and just click onto the right hand and go to the sequence mode, record the step and just give a time delay of 1 second, and if you go back you can reset it and you can record that step as well, and we can finish the recording. Okay, so now I'll just play and show you how it works. Okay, now the robot is just showing the action which we have recorded it right now. Okay, so that's the sequence mode, and you can see that there's an RGB display. Okay, and we can control the RGB display like static text, the plasma effect and anything as we give. Okay, okay, and we can also like edit the pixels using pixel editor. Okay, and the next thing which I'm going to show you is the AI mode. Okay, so let's see. Hey Robo.
Hey there, friend. How can I, BonicBot, your helpful, witty, and friendly robot, be of service to you?
Okay, can you give me a handshake?
Sure, here comes a handshake. Okay, the handshake is done. What else can I do for you?
Okay, right now it just performed the sequence. Okay, in the AI mode, it just went and pick out the sequence and it just played that. Okay, so likewise we can train anything. Okay, hey Robo.
Howdy, partner. I am the great and powerful BonicBot at your service. How may I assist you?
Can you give me a wave?
Okay, a wave it is. Alright, the waving is done. Anything else I can do for ya?
So that was the second pre-trained action. Okay, so likewise we can ask the general questions like, hey Robo.
Hey there, friend. BonicBot is here for you, ready to help. What's on your mind?
Who is the president of India?
The current president of India is Draupadi Murmu.
Yeah, likewise we can ask any general questions. We can have a one-on-one interaction with the AI mode. Okay, so that's how we'll be dealing with AI mode. Okay, so we have an interesting thing which is the developer mode. Okay, why developer mode is like we have if we can control the entire robot using a Python code. Okay, just give a pip install BonicBot, you will get the entire library of the robot, and you can control the robot like in any way. You get the access to the robot like the camera, vision, the controlling movements, the servo, and the RGB display. Okay, so if you give any command to the robot through Python code, through WebSocket, it will be communicating through WebSocket IP address, and you can perform anything. And that's how we can learn robotics and AI, and or AI and ML. Okay, so I'll be showing you the WebSocket. Just enter the developer mode, and your WebSocket is ready, and I'll be showing you the Python code which are available. Okay, okay, and in Python code, just give pip install BonicBot, and you can have the code which you can run and make the robot work. Okay, so those are the functions of the BonicBot, and mainly the educational purpose robot which we have built right now. And thank you for having the time. Okay, thank you.